Let's play the game! Alright! Rebound by Soriano. Pushing foul on Vergara. Number 12. Soriano to Velasco. Back to Soriano, dribble the ball. To Velasco. Santiago, shot is no good. Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo pass to Velasco. To Benjo. Cornejo. Jump shot is no good. Rebound by Capistrano ng Dragon. Paras dribble the ball. Paras dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng kapasahan. But outside. Falling Dogs ball.
Sana po ito, mapagpagaw na akong
Tama lang.
Mo lang.
Soriano dribble the ball.
Chill mo lang.
Soriano to Marcelo. Hindi nahabol. Dragon ball. Paras nagmamadali. Dribble the ball. Paras. Layup is good. Layup again is good. Rebound by Jotere. Jotere to Capistrano. To Paras. Meron yatang 3 seconds violation. Ang itlog napisa by Jotere.
Huwag mong batangin pre. Wala tayong nagigira tayo.
Oo nga. Marcelo. Pass to Cornejo. Cornejo. Benjo to Marcelo. Marcelo to Soriano. Soriano tumira ng dos. Wala. Rebound ay Vergara ng Colombian Dragon. Nagmamadali. Dribble the ball. Pass to Capistrano. Shot is good! Out for Colombian Dragon. Thumbs up to you. Capistrano. Soriano to Cornejo. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo, shot for 3. Is double. Rebound by Vergara. But foul. Foul on Marcelo. Number 4. Jotere dribble the ball. 8 second shot clock. Georgie, 2. Capistrano is good. Rebound by Vergara. Pass to Jotere. Jotere shot is good. Is on. 4-0. Tama. Marcelo hawak ang bola. Pass to Jeff. Jeff is good. Shot 2 ball. Jeff is good. Yes. 4-2. 2-point lead by Dragon Ball. Verano. Paras to Vergara. Intercept by Marcelo. Running. But tumakas ang bola. Dragon Ball. Verano dribble the ball. Verano pass to Jotere. Sumipat ng 3. Brown out tayo. Rebound by Vergara. But wala. Foul on number 12. Vergara foul. Second team foul. First team foul pala. Sorry. By the Dragon Ball. Soriano dribble the ball. Soriano. Intercept by Paras. Paras dribble the ball. Paras nagmamadali. Paras nakatakas. Pass to Jotere. Jotere nakakuha ng foul.
Not counted.
Who's foul, ref? Foul on number 4.
Dalawa na.
2 personal foul for Marcelo. 2 team foul by the Colin Dogs. Gomez to Paras to Remibol. Pass to Vergara. To Capistrano. Dragon Ball. Seal ball. Capistrano pass to Paras. Paras to Jotere. Jotay, 5 second shot clock. Berano sumipat ng 3. Brown out. Maraming hindi nagbabayad ng bills. Brown out again. Pass break to Soriano. Soriano! Soriano! Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on number 78. First personal foul on Capistrano, number 78, 2 team fouls by the Dragons. Marcelo, intercept by Vergara, dribble the ball. Vergara. Bad pass by Vergara. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds for the first quarter. Jump shot is no good. Rebound by Berano. Berano tumakbo. Berano nakaran. Pero traveling violation by Renza Munda. Timeout! Dragon Ball. Alright, time remaining. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. It's gone. 4-2. 2-point lead by the Dragon. Meron po tayong chicharon dito. Chicharon, balot, kutsinta. Hindi po ipinamimigay, binibenta. May free po tayo dito, crinkles. At saka crepes. Kung gusto nyong manggigot dyan, amang nanonood, bili na kayo.
Anong paulan din ka lang?
Ito, 70-80.
Sabi na paano siya?
Ali,
Balik.
follow number 70.
Referee masunod. Madulas yung area na yun.
Madulas doon.
Madulas, napakadulas.
Sige. CJ. Brakaw. Wait lang. Madulas daw yung area doon pa. Commissioner.
Player na. Cleaner pa eh, no? All around.
May stats ba yun? May stats?
Madulas doon. Baka hindi makalipad si Warren pagka madulas doon.
Bigyan nyo kahit plus 2 assist lang, tsaka sorry ba?
Sorry man.
Bonus ni Commissioner.
Wait lang, pinupunasan. Back to the ball game. Wait lang daw. Punasan daw lang, sabi ni Rep. Mamaya na yung ano natin, soft drinks. Alright. Next game po for the next week. Ang laro po natin sa St. James. Back to the ball game. Marcelo pass to Soriano to Marcelo. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul again on number 33. 2 shot for Marcelo. 2 bonus free throw for Marcelo. Okay. First shot for Marcelo. Shot is good. Let's see the second try for Marcelo. For his bonus free throw. Second throw for Marcelo. Shot is no good. Rebound by Marcelo again. Marcelo. Shot is good. Saglit lang daw. Okay. Pulasan lang saglit. Palakpakan natin yung commissioner natin. Player na. Nagpupunas pa.
Wala sila proper.
Commissioner pa.
Wala pre. Lasing ka pre. Talo tayo niyan, hindi kayo lasing.
Ayan na po, ang nagbabayan yan. For this league, next game po. Next game, dun tayo sa St. James. St. James tayo, mga kaibigan.
MVP. Mas basahan player.
Yan na.
Yung kasama sa warm-up.
Ang gusto mo? May 10 pounds ka. Alright, maraming salamat. Paras.
Thank you, plus 2 points. 5.
Back to the ball game.
Ayun score.
5-4. Score, 5-4. Change favor na tayo, mga kaibigan. Berrano, dribble the ball to Vergara. Vergara, bumomba. Parang George. Intercept by Soriano. Nabigay kay Soriano. Soriano tumakbo to Cornejo. Cornejo shot is good. Last 3 minutes for our first quarter. Jotare dribble the ball. Jotare to Paras. Paras to Vergara. To Cabestrano. Cabestrano again. Back to back by Cabestrano. 2 points ahead for Cabestrano. Marcelo dribble the ball. Jump shot for Marcelo is good. Rebound by Cabestrano. Paras. Dribble the ball, Paras to Capistrano. Capistrano is good. Rebound by Cornejo. Bad pass for Cornejo. Dragon ball. Score 7-6, 7-6, 1 point lead by the Calling Dogs. Paras, dribble the ball by Paras. Paras, pass to Jotare. Jotare dribble the ball. Ano na naman yan? Foul na naman yan. Foul on number 12. Warning for penalty. For Dragon Ball.
Ilang foul na si Patrick?
2 personal foul for Vergara. Warning for penalty. Calling them Dragon. Soriano to Cornejo. Intercept by Capistrano. Pass to Jotare. To Paras. Paras sumimpat ng 3. Paras wala. Rebound by Marcelo to Jack B. Velasco is level. Rebound by Paras. Last 1 minute. Paras dribble the ball. Paras to Vergara. Vergara lumipat. Chavez in and out. Lobos. Rebound by Corneo. Last 45 seconds for first quarter. To Marcelo to Cornejo. Napitawan ang bola. Intercept by Capistrano. Last 31 seconds. Paras to Mira. Shot is good. Last 22 seconds. Soriano dribble the ball. To Marcelo. 10 seconds. Marcelo's offensive foul by Marcelo. Number 4. Offensive foul. Running time yan. Hindi naman free throw. End of first quarter. Final score. 8-7. 1 point lead by Dragon Ball.
Ano yung automatic substitution? 5 minutes. 5 minutes automatic substitution.
For 5 minutes.
Same player lang.
Sila,
After dead ball.
red ball. Tapos sila, dahil kulang silang 6, dalawa yung mag-stay sa una, isa lang mag-start kasi 6 lang sila.
Sige. Okay. Reminders po. In 5 minutes, automatic substitution po tayo ha. During dead ball po, ipipress namin yung buzzer. Rep. Automatic substitution. In 5 minutes, back to the ball game. Ha? Kanina bola? Nalipat ba ito kanina? Kanina yung bola kanina? Blue ball, tama, tama. Blue ball, blue ball, blue ball, blue ball. Okay na to, nalipat na yan. Mamaya calling dogs. Jotaire. Oh. Alright. Sorry. Iyan mo, pag-reset please. I-reset. Okay na yan, okay na daw yan. Sige. 5 seconds. Wait lang. Okay, good. Jotaire, dribble the ball. To Barangao. To Mendoza. Double dribbling by the Mendoza. Double dribbling. Soriano holding the ball. Pasukan niya pero hindi nakuha. Dragon ball ang bola. Mendoza dribble the ball by the Mendoza. Nasipa ni Mendoza. Intercept by Soriano. Marcelo intercept by Jotaire. Jotaire nakuha ang bola. Jotaire lumipat. Shot is good. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza sumagpan. Pero nakakuha ng foul. Who's fouled? Foul on number 20. Two bonus free throw for Mendoza. Let's see the first shot. Bonus throw for Mendoza. Pressure for Mendoza. Shot is negative. Pangalawang bola. Bonus throw by Mendoza. Let's see. Second shot is good. Soriano to Montales, pass to Soriano, back to Soriano, to Corneo, back pass by Corneo, Dragon, ball, Barangao, dribble the ball, by the Barangao, screen by Sanchez, Barangao sumipat ng 3, shot is good, rebound by Mendoza shot is good. Rebound by the Black Colindog. Dribble the ball. Number 7, Santiago. Intercept by Jotaire. Jotaire face to Benjo. Pero nakakuha ng foul.
Second foul.
Foul on number 20, Benjo. Doon po ng spirito for Jotaire. Second team foul for the Colindogs. Let's see the first shot for Jotaire. First shot. Jotaire. Shot is no good. Let's see the second shot for Jotaire.
Running game nga pala.
Bonus throw for Jotaire. Shot is good. 3-point lead by the Dragon. 10-7 score. Marcelo. Pass to Montales. Drumibol. Montales. Nagpapaskin si Montales. Back to Marcelo. Naiwan. Marcelo. 3 points. Deadlock na tayo. Mga kaibigan, deadlock na. Barangao. Dribble the ball. Barangao to Jotaire. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Jotaire, tumira, wala. Rebound by Mendoza, nabitawan. Calling dogs ball.
Daming rebound ni France.
Santiago shot is no good. Rebound by Jotaire. Barangao, wala pa rin. Rebound by Corneo to Marcelo to Saavedra. To Santiago, to Corneo bumomba. Basket in. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on number 30. What a shot by Corneo. 2-point lead na po ang Colindogs. 1 bonus free throw for Corneo, number 20. Cornejo. Basket in. Basket in. 13-10.
13-10.
3-point lead by the Colin Dogs. A special mention to our sponsor, Boss Pa Order. CJ to Jotaire. Back to Baracao. To Mendoza. To Mendoza. Wala. Rebound by Cornejo. Cornejo to Rumibol. Cornejo. Cornejo to Soriano. Shot is never. Rebound by Cornejo. Cornejo. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on jersey number 8. 88. Two bonus free throw for Cornejo. Two team foul by the Condell Dragon. First throw for Cornejo, shot is good. Apat na po ang alamangan ng Colin Dogs. Let's see the last shot for Cornejo. Last shot for Cornejo, shot is good again. Ang gaganda ng free throw dyan, walang salawal. Jotaire, dribble the ball. Jotaire nag-aalok ng papasahan. To Baracao. Back to Jotaire. 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 Tumira. Liat is middle. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago to Marcelo. 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 Marcelo jump shot is never. Baracao. Nakuha ang bola. Rebound by Baracao. Baracao. Nagmamadali. Baracao. Baracao. Shot is never. Rebound again by Jotaire. Jotaire. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on number 7, Santiago. 13 foul. Colin Dogs. Jay. Sabret. Time out. Colin Dogs. Time remaining. 1 minute and 58 seconds. Is all. 10-15. 5-point lead by the Colin Dogs.
Oh, kaya mag-sub yung isa.
Kailangan
Ilan ba
automatic
dapat?
substitution pagka 5 minutes.
Second timeout?
Isa lang, wala nang tama, both teams.
Both teams, there's no timeout anymore, yeah? Both teams, wala na. May nagbebentang chichirya. Binibenta ba yan? Wala. Rep, we have the crinkles. Crinkles, grapes, chicharon. Chicharon, malutong. Unang agad, lutong lahat. Bili na kayo ng chicharon. Sige, automatic na. Kasi timeout naman kayo eh. Back to the ball game. Both teams. No timeouts na, ha? Both teams. Cornejo to Soriano. Cornejo, pasu. El Duayan. Nakuha ni Marcelo. Marcelo lumipad. Shot is good again by the Marcelo. Marcelo, 3 points. 8-point lead na, mga kababayan. Ang kalamangan ng Colin Dogs. Baracao, shot for 3. Bumawin pero wala. Rebound again by Baracao. Drop shot is double. Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo to Enduan. Wala. Soriano's good. 10-point lead by the Colin Dogs. 20-10. Buti na lang, dumating si Enduan. 10-point lead na. Paras to Mendoza to Sanchez. Shot is in and out. Rebound by Cornejo pass to Marcelo nagmamadali. Marcelo to Enduan wala pa rin. Malas lang Enduan. Rebound by Paras lumipad. Nakakuha ng foul. Basket count for Paras. Foul on number 12, Gonzalez. 13 foul by the Colin Dogs. One bonus free throw for Paras.
Pa lang yung ano. Ha? Hindi, okay. Kasi 2 shot siya eh. 1 bonus free throw lang yan.
Baliktad. Up!
Dapat 11 pa lang, di ba?
Ha? Kailan yung sa akin? Hindi,
Hindi, tayo kanina eh.
hindi, sakto yan.
Nakashoot ng 2 points.
Oo, nakashoot si Paras ng
3-point play sana.
Sa si Corneo.
Okay, napakagandang free throw noon, Paras. Hindi man lang tuminag ang bola. And Duayan. Nagana na. Intercept by Paras. Paras lumipat. Wala. Rebound by Corneo. Intercept by Maracao. Ang gandang intercept nun. Pang MVP. Mendoza Chatizan. Bumaba na po ang kalamangan natin. 2014. For the second quarter, last 3 minutes. Soriano dribble the ball. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, dumibol. Gonzalez to Marcelo. Marcelo shot is good. Soriano shot is good.
Hindi ko masyado nakikita.
Paras. Ang galing naman ng videographer to. Mendoza. Sumipat ng 3. Wala pa rin. Condoms ball. Nagkahiyaan mo sa bola. Next game is Landra versus The Assassin ng Killer Smile. Gonzalez. Dribble the ball. Pass to Corneo. Gonzalez. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Barangao. Naubos ako ng boses dito. Wala pang ginger dyan. Barangao. To Paras. Tumira ng 3. Paras! Bumaba na ang kalamangan ng Fallen Dogs. 5-point lead na lang. Mali. Ilawin na ba yan? Marcelo to El Duayan. Open shot. He's good. Rebound by Mendoza. Nakakuha ng foul si Mendoza. Foul on number. Jersey number 12. By Gonzalez. Warning for penalty. Fallen Dogs. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Warning for penalty. Fallen Dogs. Sa Betra. Inbound pass to Paras. Paras to Barangao. Ititira na daw. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Paras. Last 1 minute. Sanchez. Back to Paras. Paras press again. Wala na. Marcelo dribble the ball. Nagmamadali si Marcelo. Binigay na naman kay MVP El Duayan. Back to Marcelo. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Paras. Barangao to. Mabilis ang tingila ni Saavedra. Soriano to Gonzalez. Intercept by Paras. Last 20 seconds. And Duayan. Paras shot is good. Last 15 seconds. 1 point lead by the Fallen Dogs, ha? Last 10 seconds. Nakahabol po. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Marcelo. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Last 2 seconds. Foul on number 30. 2 bonus free throw for Marcelo. Last 2 seconds na lang yan, ha? Last 2 seconds.
Ha? Hindi, tumira.
First throw is good. Second throw for Marcelo. Second throw is
Ano yun? Ano ba?
1 point lang.
1 point
lang. Okay. Elo Pulsa! Rep, change court. Okay pa rin yung araw, ha? Change court. Pagpalitan mo, pre. Change court na. Second half. Wala bang kakanta dyan? Wala. Wala kasi.
Tapos 21.
23, 21. 2-point lead by the Colin Dogs. Yan! Dito na yung Colin Dogs. Yan na yan, 23-21. Over kayo ng dalawa. Change court na, ha? Chicharon! Kung gusto nyo ng chicharon, malutong-lutong, bagong luto.
Ilang minutes pa ang halftime nila?
Ha?
Ilang minutes na break? Halftime.
5 minutes lang. Inom muna kayo.
Oo, okay lang.
Yung gusto nyo na, magpahinga muna kayo dahil 5 lang kayo.
Dalawang chicharon, 1 minute, 10 pounds.
Ay, dinaguan, mali. Chita.
Dinaguan, mali, kutsinta. Okay, promo daw tayo. Back to the ball game na pala. Gusto na nila maglaro. Bebenta pa sana ako ng chicharon. Okay. Second half na tayo mga kaibigan. 23-21, 2-point lead by the Colin Dogs. Joe Tyra dribble the ball. Time. Okay na. Para, shot is good. Rebound by Cornejo. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo to Santiago. To Montales tumira ng 3. Montales shot is good. Rebound by Pontes. Kapit Serrano ng Dragon Ball. Pass to Paras. Paras to Jotaire lumipad. Shot is good. Rebound by Jotaire again. Jotaire shot is good again. Rebound by Cornejo. Cornejo to Jack Velasco. Velasco to Marcelo. Marcelo to Santiago na bitawan ng bola. Dragon Ball. Magsalita ka naman. Sige, magsalita ka. Special mention mo, nandiyan yung asawa mo. Ayun o. Ay, video mo yung asawa mo.
Ayun, guess.
Paras. Dribble the ball. Paras. Same ball pa rin. Last touch by the black team. Last 14 seconds shot clock, mga kaibigan. Jotaire. Intercept by Marcelo. To Marcelo. Back to Marcelo. Shot is good. Rebound by Paras. Renz Abunda. Nakakuha ng foul.
Number 14, foul.
Foul on number 14.
Team fouls, 1 minute.
Di ba pagkakulit ko siya, pre? Pwede mo siyang tag-stop.
Ay! Dahilan.
Rebound by Marcelo. Velasco nakalusot. Pass break to Velasco. Velasco in and in. 2 points for Velasco.
Team force, team ulit to.
Paras dribble the ball.
Paraso
Capistrano. Check is good. Rebound by Marcelo. Pero nakakuha ng foul. Foul on number 33.
33.
Santiago nagdadala ng bola. Dribble the ball, Santiago to Velasco. Velasco jump shot. It's good again. Rebound by Berano. Tumira. Nugget. Pero nakakuha ng foul.
Second foul.
Sa prep. Coach George labas. Barakaw in.
Sino foul daw?
14.
Foul on number 14.
Team fouls, 2.
Colin Dog.
2 team fouls by the Colin Dogs. Time. Barakaw to Jotaire. Jotaire shot is good. 25-23. 2-point lead by the Colin Dogs.
33, 2 points.
Santiago. Santiago to Corneo from Montales. Na-open na naman. Pero nakuha ng bola ni CJ. Rebound by Jotaire. Pass to Baracao. Paras to Jotaire. Jotaire shot is dead. Velasco. Bad pass to Velasco. Dragon Ball. Nagalit na si coach. Baracao, dribble the ball. To Paras. Tres ni Paras is naked. Rebound by Corneo. Pero nabitawan ang bola. Same ball pa rin. Anong mangyayari sa mikropono natin? Capistrano. Inbound pass to Baracao. Baracao. Layup is naked. Rebound by Marcelo. Pass break to Velasco. Nag-iisa. Nabitawan ang bola. Pero nakakuha ng ball. Ball on. Pushing foul on number 6. 13 foul. By Dow.
Doon pala.
Two team fouls by Dragon. Marcelo. Dribble the ball. Marcelo. Tumbira. Wala. Rebound by Montales. Jump ball. Ito ang bola. Rep. Ito ang bola. Kasi nag-change court tayo, di ba?
Sila nag-umpisa doon.
Nag-umpisa. Sige. Sige, bola nyo. Ito, tama na to. Hindi lang lipat na nina. Pasensya na po, mga kaibigan. Okay yan. Sometimes we have a mistake. Yeah. Corneo, dribble the ball. Corneo. Pass to Marcelo. To Santiago. Santiago back to Marcelo. Marcelo sumipat ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by the Vergara. Vergara tumakbo. Ang palis-palis ni Vergara. Pero na-intercept ni Corneo. To Velasco holding the ball. Marcelo to Montales. Check it out. Back to the 4-point lead by the Colin Dubs. Dead ball. Paras. Dribble the ball. Jotaire. Intercept by Velasco. Hindi nakuha ang bola. Same ball pa rin. Substitution. Angelo in. Capistrano out.
Sub down sila. 14 second shot clock.
14 second shot clock. 14 second shot clock. Paras. Dribble the ball. To Baracao. Baracao to Paras. Paras to Angelo.
5 seconds.
5 second shot clock. Berano to CJ. Baracao shot is good. Rebound by Soriano. Soriano drop shot. Rebound by Baracao. Baracao to Vergara. Vergara lumipad. Last touch by Cornejo. Dragon Ball.
Si Patrick.
Ayos. Ganda naman yan. Nakakuha ng foul si Vergara. Foul on number 20. 13 foul by the Colin Dogs.
Sub daw, sub.
Dead ball.
Dead ball na yan. Pwede na yan.
Okay na, sige.
Isa pa lang.
Wow. Vergara shot is no good.
Last 27. Patalino yan. Ayaw mo.
Shot cut for Vergara, shot is good. Sabrep. Jay, Baracao out. Juta niya pala.
Hindi ano mahabol pa pala yung blue.
Game! Corneo inbound pass to Soriano, number 1. Na-screen ni Santiago. Soriano, intercept by Vergara. Vergara, pass break to Verano. Renz Verano, his shot is good. 1 point lead na lang po, ha? 1 point lead. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Gonzalez to Elduayan. Putik na naisilan. 5 seconds shot clock to Soriano.
Ano yun daw? Ha? Ano daw yun?
Traveling.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Traveling violation. Barakaw to Vergara. Vergara binipit ang bola. Nakakuha ng foul.
7 foul.
Oh, foul on number
Ilang team foul na?
7. Warning for penalty. Fallen Dogs. 2 bonus free throw for Patrick Vergara ng Dragon Ball. Patrick shot. First bonus for Patrick is no good.
Ilan pa yung timeout ng Blue Kings, pre? Wala na, no?
Wala na.
Shot is no good for the second time. Rebound by Santiago. Cornejos nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Soriano. Shot is good. Wala pong ano dyan. Kanya ako yung oh. Thank you. Ang sarap ng trinkles. Kasing sarap ng chicharon. Paras to Mendoza. Suliman ng 3 seconds. Violation. Sabrek. Vergara out. Andrew in.
Huwag ka lang dyan, pre.
Kuha kayo, pre. Mamaya na lang natin computer niyan.
Nakalista.
Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, chicharon. Meron dyan. Chicharon. Malutong-lutong ang chicharon. Soriano. Shot is good. Paras. Nakahabol na naman ang Fallen Dogs. Back to the 5 point lead na naman. Mendoza. Shot is good. Rebound by Corneo. To Soriano. Lumibas. But foul. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on 87 for Barakaw.
Magreklamo.
13 foul by the Dragons.
Ganun magreklamo, wala ka pang nasusunod.
Huwag ka, Commissioner, huwag ka magreklamo, ha? Ikaw nagsabi dyan. Naka-out ka, you're under oath. Tatlo. 2 bonus free throw for Soriano. Shot is naked. Last 56 seconds for the third quarter.
Trash talk pala, no?
Let's see the second shot for Soriano. Bonus shot for Soriano for the last time. Shot is good.
Malayo na naman ang
6 na naman.
6 na naman ang kalulangan ng Fallen Dogs.
makakisa mo daw
Paras to CJ. Intercept by Montales. Pero nabitawan ng bola. Dragon Ball ulit. Paras to Barakaw. Sino yun? Rebound by Santiago. Intercept by Mendoza. Last 18 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Paras. Transition. Rebound by Santiago. Last 9 seconds. And Tuwanan. Last 5 seconds. Tumira lang doon. Brown out. Nakuha ni Soriano. Last 3 seconds. Soriano. Shot. Goal. End of third quarter. What a nice score is the ball. 26, 8-point lead by the Calling Dogs.
Last na dapat na, full force.
O, 3 daw ang balot, ha? Pagka bumili ng dalawa, may promo, sa isda lang. O, time. Paras. To Coach George. Intercept by Soriano. Soriano to Marcelo. Marcelo. Pineke. Wala. Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo. Shot again. He's good. That is 26. 10-point lead by the Dragon Ball. Franz Berano. Berano nakuha ang bola ulit. To Capistrano. Shot is level. Last touch by the Calling Dogs. Dragon Ball. Capistrano. Intercept by Soriano. Soriano. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 6. Franz Berano. 2 ball sprint throw for Soriano.
Ilang foul na si Renz Berano ko eh? Dalawa.
2 personal foul. Paul Renz Abunda. 14 foul. Ay, ang sarap ng Kringles. First shot for Soriano. Shot is good. Masarap-sarap ang Kringles. Sabayan mo ng mani, balot at dinuguan. Second throw for Soriano is good. Dragon Ball. Last touch by the calendar. Fourth and final quarter, 37-26. Intercept by Marcelo. Coach George to Vergara. Vergara is level. Rebound by Corneo. To Marcelo. Marcelo shot is good. Aba, 13 na ang abante ng Calling Dogs ng itim. Paras. Same ball. Sub. Coach George labas. Barakaw in. Capistrano to Vergara. Very nice shot for Vergara. 2 points break. 2 points. Yan. Ayos. Velasco. Back to Corneo. To Soriano. Corneo dribbling the ball. Corneo. To Soriano. Soriano. 10 second shot clock. Mortales back to Velasco. 5 second shot clock. Corneo. Shot. No good. Rebound by Barakaw. Ang nakatira niyan. 360. Renz Abunda. Drop shot. Is double. Rebound again by Abunda. Napitawan ang bola. Bumalik kay Vergara. Patrick Vergara. Vergara nag-iisa. Shot is good. Dead ball. Marcelo. Soriano dribbling the ball. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on Renz Berano. Sabrep. Andrew labas. Sanchez in.
1 second shot clock, ha?
Last 1 second shot clock tayo, ha? Last 1 second shot clock. Marcelo. Offensive foul by Marcelo.
Anong warning? Ilang foul na?
Ilang foul na yun?
Oh, tama yan. 39-30.
Ilang foul na si Mars?
Isa. Hindi ah? Apat.
Apat na?
Warning for graduation, Marcelo. Warning for graduation na.
Apat. Ang Calling Dogs ang foul, si Marcelo. Offensive foul.
Paras. Marcelo. Marcelo to Soriano. Soriano tumira. Nakuha ni Sanchez. Binitawan kay Baracao. Pas to Paras. Paras lang pamudali. Paras. Drop net. Nugget. Rebound kay Velasco. Nakuha ni Vergara.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Paras. Sumipan ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound kay Marcelo. Marcelo. Shot is Brown. Nugget. Intercept by Corneo. Corneo. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul on number 6
Fourth foul.
at 12.
Fourth foul. Penalty.
Fourth foul na ba? Hindi. Panibago siya, pre. Panibago siya. Oo.
Timeout! Collingdon! Stop time.
Ilan may fouls yun? Apat na si Paras.
Apat na. Warning for graduation. Number 12, Vergara. Ay, malapit na kayong magpag-graduate, Rep. Last time, walang nag-graduate. Baka ngayon pa lang. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta-ta.
Graduate na lang ang kulang, may handa na.
Oo nga, may handa na tayo. Yung mag-graduate na lang ang kulang. Balot-balot kayo dyan. Pampalakas ng tuhod. Balot, kutsinta, mani. At saka, binubuan ng anakin. Back to the ball game.
30. Lamang kayo.
Lamang kayo ng 9-point lead by the Calling Dogs, yeah?
Wala pang timeout yung Dragon.
Wala pa. Nag-timeout na ba yung ano?
Nag-timeout na po nito.
So isa na lang.
Velasco.
Sino nagpa-timeout, pre? Ang Calling Dogs ba?
Collingdon.
Oh. Marcelo shot is good. Back to the 11-point lead by the Calling Dogs. Mendoza, pass to Baracao to Mendoza. Prince. Intercept by Montales to Velasco. To Soriano. Wala na akong boses.
Shot clock, pare.
15 second shot clock. Velasco to Corneo to Soriano. Ang ganda ng ball rotation nila. Montales, shot is covered. Intercept by Marcelo. Nakuha ni Soriano. Marcelo.
Shot clock, pare.
Montales. 15 second shot clock. Montales. 3 points. 14-point lead by the Calling Dogs. Mendoza to Vergara. Baracao. Bumawi ng 3. Baracao 3 points. Ang ganda lawanan. Marcelo. Face to face to Baracao. Naiwan. Pass to Corneo. To Soriano.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. To Corneo.
8, 7, 6.
5 second shot clock. Montales to Baracao 3. Wala. Rebound by Sanchez. Baracao to Mendoza. Baracao. Nabalpan ni Montales. Baracao na ball. Shot clock.
10 seconds.
Corneo intercept. Corneo. Soriano. To Marcelo. Marcelo. Natin balon. Mendoza pinaikot. To Sanchez. Intercept by Corneo. In and out. Soriano. Natin good. Salamat doon. Des basketball. Brought to you by Mane. Dinuguan. Kuchita. Face of the night! Graduation na lang ang kulang! Marami naman na! Mars! Pagka nag 2 minutes yan, meron kayong extra 1 timeout, ha?
Last 2 minutes, 1 time.
Lahat. Both team, last 2 minutes, may extra kayong timeout. Pwede kayo magpa-timeout. Pagka nagpa-timeout kayo, umihi na umihi. Back to the ball game!
Minadali ng blue
Nawala na ang boses ko. Kutsinta! Balot! Magkano kaya ito? Pre, magkano komisyon ko dyan? Nakawas ako sa balot mo. 50-50 tayo sa athlete.
Last 2 minutes. Pwede na mag-time out. Last 2 minutes.
Renz Apunta, dribble the ball. Renz. Berano to Sanchez. Sanchez to Renz Apunta. Muntik na na-intercept. Apunta. Binatawan ng bola. Last touch by the Dragon Ball. Corneo. Pass back to Soriano. Mura transfer by Corneo. To Soriano. Soriano. To Marcelo.
Sing na lang.
Pass to Santiago. 13-point lead by the Golden Dogs and James Lamtra versus the Assassin. Bernardo, dribble the ball. Capistrano, shot is good. Rebound by Marcelo. Pass to Soriano. Soriano to Gonzales, pero nakakuha ng foul. Foul ng number 6. Sabret. Sige, Soriano labas. El Duayan in. CJ Barangao. But Saavedra out.
Warning for penalty, pare. Warning for penalty.
Ayaw nga, pre. Dagdagan mo naman ang warning pag penalty na. Ay, hindi. Tatlo pa lang. 14 foul na. Isa pa.
Warning for penalty na, ha? Warning for penalty.
Basta kung tamalanilo yan.
8 seconds.
8 second shot clock. El Duayan.
5.
5 second shot clock. Montales. Shot is good. Rebound by Marcelo. Same ball. Last touch by Vergara. Marcelo to Cornejo. Nakakuha ng foul.
Ano na, no? Penalty na, pre. Penalty na.
Penalty.
Rep, penalty. 15 team foul na ang Dragon. Penalty. 2 bonus free throw for Cornejo.
May time out sa lingan.
Pareho sila.
May tigisa kayong timeout yan, ha? Both teams.
Andrew. Sa Badera.
First throw for Cornejo. Shot is good. Let's see the second try for Cornejo. For the last bonus free throw. Shot is never. Rebound by Vergara. Pass break to Mendoza. To Pirano. To Barranco. Celeste is never. Cornejo. Rebound by Cornejo. Montales. Intercept by Vergara to Barranco. Tama rin. Pero nakakuha ng foul.
Number 6. Graduate na.
Graduate na si number 6.
Ako nga pala kasi nakuha na, no?
Foul out na si number 6 pala.
Berano. Graduate ka na. 5 fouls ka na. Mamaya na lang ang kainan.
Nag-graduate na.
Nag-graduate na rin. Isang shot doon. Dalawang shot naman doon. Bay, ang bait-bait ko rin. Nakakaampas ko. Nagbibigay na.
Sino kasi yung Don Dragons, no? Dragons hindi, no?
Dragons.
Two shots for Dragon. 1 shot for Colindo.
Graduate na pala yun, eh. Oo, kanina. Hindi ko na,
Okay. 1 bonus shot for the Underdogs and 2 shots for the Dragon Ball. May nag-graduate na. Bonus shot for the MVP is never. 2 shots for Dragon. Ang bait-bait ng referee, oh. Pinagbigayin pa kayo ng dalawa. Sana all. Reds, ang dami mo lang handa dito. Reds. First shot for Barangao is never.
Clutch.
Let's see. The last bonus reward, CJ.
No clutch.
Es never. Rebound by Montales. Montales to Santiago. Santiago to Marcelo. Marcelo.
Shot clock pa rin.
And Duayan.
14.
40 seconds shot clock. Binitawan ng pala. Intercept by Saavedra. To Barangao. Barangao. Janice David. Ay, Montales. Naubusin na kagad. Montales. Montales. Basket count. Foul number 88.
49.
Penalty, ah. 2 bonus free throw for Carlo Montales.
Ilang pa na si Saavedra?
14.
Third personal foul on Andrew.
14.
Aparti.
10 seconds.
10 seconds shot clock. Montales. Lalaban. Rebound by Barangao. Mendoza nag-iisa. 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 Pero wala ka pa rin. Rebound by Benjo. Corneto. Patay ang mapisa. Ito. Last 10 seconds. Warm up na. Slandrak versus Asase. No mercy pa kay Antoine. Final score. 48. Next game. Alright.
Sino best player?
Best player.
Wait lang. Total pa, total.
Total pa ha. Best player.
Total pa.
Sarap. Sarap yan. Ren. Yung medalya mo. Best player.
Nag-graduate.
Andali, wala pa. Kinatotal pa ang best player natin. Ah, ikaw ba?